I ain't never seen this thing come out of there like that, bro. What? Never did the thing just separate from the thing. What? My strong ass breaking stuff. My hair's already braided down to this point because it's already pre-sectioned. So I just gotta put the braids on all of these. Let me show you the easy way. This is how I learned how to do a box braid. This is how I learned. Cause it's like a lot of ways to do box braids, but this the easiest way that I know. So you just take the hair, you braid up your little section, get your little gel, put it on there. Just braid it on there. Hold your hair like that. And then you just put it on there, okay? Put it on there. You see, it's just literally on top. You just braid it, okay? Take the left side and you grab that. Now this is the middle. And you take it and you go under. And keep going. It's the easiest way. You just braid it on now. You feel me? Then once you get right here, you take some of this hair. Then you take some of this hair. Get your little gel. Blend it together. And just keep braiding. Fine. I used to literally do my hair like this when I was 12. No. I learned how to do box braids. I started doing my own box braids when I was like 13, 14, 7th or 8th grade. And this is how I used to do it. And it'll stay on there. You know what I'm saying? You gotta worry about it sliding off or nothing like that. I'll show you 3 ways to do it. This is the easiest way to do it. You just braid it on there as if nothing's even happening, you know? Just braid it on there as if it's not yours. Okay, so the next way that I know how to do it is like this. You'll take it, split it in half, and you make 2. Make 2. See that? You see that? Split it in half, open it up, put it on the top, take that, and it's 2. Okay? I'm gonna take this down, or you could do split this in 2. Okay. Get your gel. Put it on the roots. And you're gonna split it in half. Okay. You see the little knot? You can put this in the middle of that. Like that. You know, this the back piece. Put that in the middle. And then you would grab this piece. So you hiding the knot in the middle. Okay? You put it on like that. And now you got 3 pieces. Just keep the knot in the middle. Okay? Keep your hair together. You braid it on like nothing happened. You can do it like that. So, let me Open that. Open this. Okay. Get some gel. Keep braiding. Ain't nothing happening. And that one, this way will be a little tighter than the first way I showed you. It'll be on there a little more secure. The third way is, okay, so this the way they taught me in the braiding school. And I don't even really know how to explain this way, so let me try my best. Okay, you're gonna get your hair. You're gonna get your gel. Put it on the roots. You're gonna split it in 3 even pieces. So that's 1. This is 2, 3. Okay, take your hair. Now this one, you just take a little, not in half. Don't split it in half, but like split it like in the thirds. Okay, split it in thirds. Take it. Left hand, the big piece in my left hand, the little piece in my right hand. Put the little piece on the top. Drop that and hold it like a T. Alright? Grab this. This the one with the 2 pieces. Okay, grab that. Spin it a little bit so it's not just loose and wobbly. And now it's in your fingers. Like that. Okay. In between your middle finger and your index finger, that's where the first piece of hair gonna go. This one in the back gonna be my first piece. Okay, so the first piece go between your middle index finger and your middle finger. Sorry. The second piece goes between your pointer finger and your thumb. The first piece go between these 2 fingers. Second piece go between these 2 fingers. Your thumb and your pointer. Now the third piece goes here. You drop this last piece. That goes with the last piece. See, that's why I don't like explaining that is just white. Yeah, I don't know what happened, but when I try to explain it, it just doesn't happen the way it's supposed to. This is the way they taught me how to do it at the braiding school, with the 3 strands of braiding hair and the 3 strands of your hair. So that's about the most professional way to do it. I think I should do another video, like Showing y'all on the actual mannequin head and not my head. On the back camera with the flash on, maybe. I know the first two ways is definitely easier than the last way. I've been practicing the last way because that's the one they taught me in hair school. That's the one I've been using. This is what I came up with today. You know. So all my people, really just for Baby. This for girl, this for everybody. But I told Baby I was gonna show her how to do it because she can do it. I know she can do it. I'm finna finish my hair and then stay tuned. Thank you for watching.
Good morning. Welcome to my mother vlog on YouTube channel. My name is Fat Ash Vlogs and my booty's flat dog, but that's irrelevant because I'm gonna throw it back, yeah. But not today. If you're new, please like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you can be notified every time I raise hell. And if you're not new, what's up, baby? I see you watching and thank you for watching.